Changing your primary email on Bank of America is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access profile settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the profile settings, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this to proceed to the Email Management section. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email address, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. After completing these steps, your primary email on Bank of America will be successfully changed. Always check your email for any confirmation messages to ensure the process was completed.